the night before Thanksgiving. We got the nasty nor'easter storm. Thought I'd show you. Just had a car go off the road there. Just passed it. So the roads are turning to ice. Temperature's really dropping now. Probably down to almost 28 degrees. I gotta worry about running into everybody because nobody can drive as usual. They all live here, but they're all afraid. Gotta get some snow tires on there. Just a short little one here to let you see what's going on. So, before I rear end this big truck, I don't know if you can see the trees. Turn the wipers off. There, see all the trees are there. All the trees. Winter wonderland here, folks. See everything. It's nasty. Keep the wipers on. Yeah, we should get 12 to 15 inches when it's all done. So, on my way to pick up Sarah for our Thanksgiving day together. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone.